3 wireless speakers.
Unboxing. Can you see what that says on it?
Dang.
Wait, okay, well,
Nice little pouch here.
let's get the, change the way you hear sound.
Oh man, they come in this nice case here. That's it.
Wear them.
That's it. That's all it is.
Now wear them. Now rate them. Wow, they come with music.
Oh, just instantly playing. They actually feel really nice though. Really great build quality.
Alright, comfortability, 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
I mean 0 out of 10, I mean, it could be 0.
I'd probably give them, well, let's see. Oh, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, somewhere in that range.
Oh, you heard it here, folks. The best headphones on the market.
Comes with a CD.
Let's test their durability.
Who uses a CD still?
Let's test the durability.
Aren't you funny? Beats Solo wireless sticker.
Wow.
Oh.
Sticker.
An instruction manual in case you're low IQ, can't figure it out yourself. And
A.
all of the components.
Wires come with the wireless headphones.
This must be to charge it. Maybe it comes with a carabiner for some reason.
Oh, neat. Okay,
what?
like a
Oh, it's probably for the case, so you can like hang it.
1000 IQ.
Boom. 10,000 IQ to figure that one out right away.
Yeah, that was a
Fast
puzzle.
thinking.
Alright.
Alright, that concludes our unboxing of the awesome Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones.